Great morning, millionaires. I'm Jordan Umali, and I would like to invite you all to attend our team General Assembly on October 4 at Frontrow main office exactly 7 p.m. This event will be the grandiest this year. Lots of celebrities, guest speakers, mentors, uplines, including the owners, will be invited. The most exciting part is to witness the two US Millionaires Club of Team. I'm hoping to see you in this epic event on October 4 at Front Row Main Office exactly 7 p.m. With that, God bless and to God be the glory. See you!